Well, some good news now to the millions of Kenyans living in remote regions that are not connected to the national grid, as they are set to benefit from an affordable solar-powered satellite TV service. This is through a partnership between Azuri Technologies and Zuku TV that will see households acquire a complete pay-as-you-go satellite TV package, then pay for the same in installments. Customers will pay a deposit of some 4,999 shillings to use the system, and then pay about 149 shillings daily for 2 years via mobile money for the satellite service. The service, launched in Wakalia Market in Embu County, will only be available in select regions of central Kenya and will be rolled out progressively nationwide in 2017, targeting the over 5 million households that are currently outside the power grid. According to Azuri Technologies CEO Simon Bransfield-Garth, he noted that rural off-grid consumers face major hurdles.
And enabling everybody in Kenya to have access to television and to the trappings of modern development, not just the people who live in cities, but every single citizen of the country.
Ningetaka watoto wetu mutumie hii Azuri ndio mufanye kazi ya shule.